Did you know over 2.7 billion people watch YouTube every month? Ready to join them? Forget pricey gear. Your phone is your new BF. Start by finding your niche. What are you passionate about? Gaming, cooking, funny cat videos? Consistency is key. Post regularly and engage with your audience. Respond to comments, create polls and ask questions. Remember, thumbnails and titles are your first impressions, so make them pop. And don't skip on SEO term. Use keywords that your audience is searching for. Monetization, easy, enable ads, join the YouTube Partner Program or explore sponsorships. Creators have raked in over $40 billion in ad revenue in just 3 years. That could be you, so grab your phone, hit record, and start creating. The world is waiting for your content. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips on becoming a YouTube sensation. Check description for more ways to make money on YouTube. Dive into your analytics to understand what works and what doesn't. Collaborate with other creators to expand your reach and tap into new audiences. Leverage social media to promote your videos and engage with your community. Use advanced SEO techniques like long-tail keywords and video tags to boost your visibility. Celebrate your milestones and keep pushing forward. Your success story is just beginning. Check description for more ways to make money on YouTube.